Today, we're gonna look at Coinbase Pro. Last week, I did a video on Coinbase, and if you've already set up your Coinbase account, you use the same credentials to log into Coinbase Pro. Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on Coinbase Pro. Now this is what it's gonna look like before you log in. It's just gonna be a general website showing screenshots of Coinbase Pro, telling a little bit about it, but we're gonna go ahead and log in. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you need to create a Coinbase account first and then log in with the same username and password into Coinbase Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, here we are on Coinbase Pro. As you can see, there's a lot going on this screen right now. A lot. So we'll kind of just pick and choose a few things to talk about. And this is going to be just a very brief video on Coinbase Pro. Just an introduction. I'm going to do more videos on how to actually trade and stuff like that later on. But right here, you see your order book. This is basically where your buyers and sellers are lining up. Over here, trade history, basically time and sales. It shows you what was sold, what was bought, what time it was, everything like that. How much of, currently we're on Bitcoin US dollar. Right here you have your wallet or my wallets. You click on my wallets, it'll bring up all the wallets that Coinbase allows you to trade. Right now you can see I only have Bitcoin. And I'm in the process of adding more money over. It's more of a process than Robinhood. It takes a little bit longer than Robinhood. You don't get instant access to your money, but usually within 4 to 5 days, your money's there. So, which can be kind of a hassle if you're trying to get in and out. So you need to kind of, when you deposit more than you normally would. So it's there when you need it. We'll go back to trade. And here is your, I've got it set on the hourly chart. You can zoom in and zoom out on this chart, but it's not as good as some, but better than some others. Right here is you're gonna select your market. That's where you'll select your market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and so on, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. They've got all the popular ones here. Then they also have, if you want to use like stable coins, like Bitcoin to the US dollar coin, the stable coin. You can get into different things with that coin than you could with just the US dollar. And so on. They've got more crypto markets. You have to get in here and just explore and see what you really want to do. My main focus lately is Bitcoin because I believe Bitcoin is where you want to be. In all of the crypto, Bitcoin is the one that I see that's gonna make it. Now you'll have some of these altcoins that will too, but Bitcoin is king. So we'll just go back here. Here's your deposit and withdrawal. So if you want to make a deposit, you simply click on deposit. Say what currency you want, and you've already got your bank account set up. There you go. Deposit the money. But like I said, it takes 4 to 5 days. They're really good at sending you emails like when the money gets in there. So you'll know right when it gets in there if you're checking your emails. And that's pretty much it for this view of Coinbase Pro. Now, like I said before, you can buy crypto and sell crypto on Robinhood, but you can't own crypto on Robinhood. With Coinbase Pro, which is a crypto exchange, you can own that cryptocurrency. So if you like the video, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you in the future.